Welcome to this tutorial on how to use setlists with OpenControl. Setlists allow you to add scenes and arrangement markers to create a collection of songs. You will then be able to navigate through this list and launch songs. First, let's have a look at the controller editor to see how OpenControl is currently set up. We have the display set up to show setlist songs. Button 1 is set to launch song no queue, which means that the songs will be launched instantly. I'll get back to this later. As the songs need to be launched at the moment I press the button, I have activated Snap. The LED will show the color of the selected song scene. If it is a marker, it will be white if no color has been specified. Button 2 is set to launch song. This time the launching will be quantized. Double press is set to live start and stop, and so is the LED. Button 3 controls the loop arrangement button, and a double press will activate loop to next locator in arrangement view. Button 4 launches the selected scene, and its LED shows the color of the selected scene. Buttons 5 and 6 will be used to navigate through the songs, the LEDs showing the colors of the scenes or locators. A double press will select the previous or next scene, and the long press will do the same for locators. Finally, I have set the encoder to skip forward. So let's switch to live. I have a live set with 5 songs, 3 are in session and 2 in arrangement view. Let's say I want to build my set list and start with the song called Water, then play Boat People, then Sambe in arrangement view, then Speeches back in session, and then Cities. All I have to do is rename the scenes and locators and add song between brackets with the number of the songs. So that will give song 1 for Water, song 2 for Boat People, song 3 for Sambe, song 4 for Speeches, and song 5 for Cities. You can notice that the display on OpenControl has changed, and a number between square brackets has appeared. This is the number of the currently selected song. I can now use buttons 5 and 6 to select the song I want to launch, and press button 1 to launch it. The song will start immediately as button 1 is set to launch no queue. This means that if you have reached the end of your song and live playback is still running, you can start the next song immediately. And while the launch is not quantized, the song is still synced with the metronome. Launching a song with button 2 will be quantized according to the global setting. Of course, if at some point I want to change the order of the set list, all I need to do is change the number of the song. If several scenes or locators have the same song number, only the first one is taken into account. Therefore, set lists are fully compatible with my song mode script for push and launchpad. As set lists can include arrangement locators as well as session scenes, the Back to Arrangement button, as well as the Re-enable automation, is automatically activated whenever an arrangement song is launched. This way, we can be certain that the arrangement will play correctly. Another possible use of the arrangement is to set locators to create loops inside the songs. Let's say I want to have a loop in my song Sambe from bar 39 to bar 43. I just set the locators at the corresponding positions. And while I'm inside the loop zone, I double press button 3. This will place and activate the arrangement loop over the area. When I want to exit the loop, I just switch it off by a single press on button 3. I can have as much looping locators as I want. Finally, a little addition is that you can give your own colors to the locator's LEDs. To do so, you must add color and a number between brackets to the name of the locator. The color can be any number between 0 and 127. I hope that set lists will find their way into your workflow and allow you more freedom with live. Thanks for watching.